How to check your order history on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to view all your past orders and payment activity on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings to open your Facebook settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Orders and Payments. Following this, you'll be taken to the Orders and Payments page where all your activity is stored. Once done, at the top of the screen, you'll see a complete list of all your order activities, including pending orders, completed orders, donations, and money transfers. From here, tap on any entry to see more details about that specific transaction. Finally, tap on the cart icon at the top to see a list of all the items you have ordered through Facebook Marketplace or Facebook Shop. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you check your order history, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.